Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GoHighLevel account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your GoHighLevel account, start by visiting the GoHighLevel website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from GoHighLevel. Open the email and look for the confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. You will be redirected to the account setup page. Fill in the required fields, including your name and password. Review the terms and conditions, and check the box to accept them. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Select your plan and click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your payment information accurately. Once completed, click the Complete Purchase button. Your account will now be activated. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your account is ready. Log in to your account using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Congratulations, your GoHighLevel account is now fully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.